those little tiny chicks. You get those too? All right, I'll get the chick. Baby chicks grow into adults in about